Okay, ladies and germs, we done finished this thing. It's hard to believe got through another shotcrete day. The hardest day of the whole job as far as my skinny little body goes. But we got it done. We put on 2 cement trucks full on this puppy. And this is what we came up with. So we got the spillway right there and the stairs I used to go up, get on top. And water's gonna start right up there and drop down and split that rock and then just bounce around and then pitch off the bottom here. Gonna add more cement as we go to finish out the little holes and stuff like right here and cut all these little wires off. This is a little like egg rock. You can put all your stuff in there and your towels and stuff, and then you come around the corner and you got this awesome spa bubbling, and you can have a colored light in there, I think, and you got your support pylons in there, and the 2x4s are still here holding up the wood. You probably don't need them, but it's a good idea not to pop those off till the next day. You got your shower thing right there, and I'm not sure what that is. I guess you'd hold it right there in hot and cold, but water's gonna come out of the top, and getting pretty dark in here, but the skylight I made was a real good idea because it is pretty dark and it's really warm too with the chemical heat of the concrete going off. It gets warm. Got a nice bench right here. You can sit down, and we're gonna add another 3 inches of cement on top of the coping and then in this deck. So that's all gonna be coming next after we're all out of here. Got drains in here. It's all done perfect. And you're going to be able to look right out underneath the waterfall to the house. So, made it through another shotcrete day. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for the work. Thank you for America. Thank you for everything. We're so blessed. So, anyway, we got it, the shotcrete done. So, next step might be finito, I guess. So, anyways, thanks for watching.